and welcome back to my channel, Kicks for Fresh. Now, if you're new here, you can call me K Fresh, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you all some steals and deals that I got at the St. Louis Premium Outlets. Now, before we get into the logistics of this video, please hit that subscribe button. Your girl is on her way to 1,000 subscribers. On this channel, we do sneaker reviews, clothing hauls, and how to styles. Also, please make sure to hit that like button, comment below, share, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more content. So now that we got that all out of the way, let's go ahead and get into these steals and deals. So today I actually went to the St. Louis Premium Outlets, which is about 20 minutes from where I live, and I went to a couple of stores, and I wanted to be able to share this all with you because, as you can see, not only am I a thrifty sneakerhead, I also like to get clothes to complement my sneakers, and I don't want to pay a ton of money because guess what? Your girl is balling on a budget. So today I actually went to 3 stores. I do have a combination of clothing and shoes to show you all. Now, the first store that I went to is my old faithful Macy's. If you don't have a Macy's where you are, I feel really bad for you all because the sales that they have in store do not match the sales that they have online. That is one thing that I will tell you right then and there. For me, I do use my Macy's card even though I get really good sales because guess what? You also get points when you use your Macy's card, and then they give you rewards. So what I do is when I purchase the items, I put it on my Macy's card and then I immediately pay that off with my debit card. So one, I'm not incurring any debt. However, I am getting money back in a sense because now I have $10 coupons or $20 coupons that I can use to put towards the clothes. So I only bought 2 items, and I'm going to show you the items as well as how much I paid for them. The first item is actually a khaki jacket that I got. I do have another khaki jacket that is very similar to this, so don't judge me. But the reason why I bought this is because I actually ironed on some patches to that jacket, and I don't always want to wear the jacket with the patches on it because it really is just like, it depends on my mood. So I went ahead and bought a different style jacket, but it is still a khaki jacket. So this is by a brand called Style & Co. I've never bought anything by Style & Co. But I really liked this jacket for the simple fact that it has a drawstring around the waist, and so it actually will give me more of a tapered like waist look because I am plus size. But I'm actually going to try this on and show you all so you can see what it looks like. I got it in a size 3X. This jacket was originally $89.50. I got it for $24.93. So it's not the best deal that I ever got at Macy's, but one, I really wanted it, and they only had this one and a couple of 1X's left, so I knew that if I didn't grab it that I was gonna really just miss out on it. So I did go ahead and grab that. And let me just make sure that that's what I paid. Yeah, I did pay $24.93 for this jacket. So hopefully you love what that jacket looks like on. And then the other item that I got was what I would call a steal and a deal is some Levi's. Basically, they're called... So basically, I got some Levi's 720 high-rise super skinny. These are in the size 18 women's. I'll basically put them up on the screen so that you can see them. But essentially, they are very super skinny. They are really stretchy and they feel amazing, y'all. Like, I don't even know how to begin to explain how amazing these jeans feel. So let me show y'all how much I basically spent on these. So I believe it says $59.50. I got them for $4.96, y'all. Y'all can't beat this deal. They look great on. Again, I'm going to show you the split screen so that you can see what these actually look like. Very nice deal. I'm really glad that I was able to pick these 2 items up at Macy's. So the next item that I purchased was from the Tommy Hilfiger store. I don't purchase Tommy Hilfiger very often, but every once in a while I'll go in there because they actually have really good steals and deals. So just today I picked up a really nice shirt. I got it oversized because I have an idea for it, but originally I believe this shirt was $79.99. I got it for $9.99. And then I also got some coupons. So I got a Calvin Klein coupon and a Van Housen coupon or Izod. So that's really awesome that I got those 2 coupons because I think that they're all together as one. But essentially, I got this denim shirt, which basically, as you can see here, I did get it like in a 2XL because I do want that oversized look. And then also on the front here, you do have a really nice kind of vintage Tommy Hilfiger logo. And on the inside of this, I'm not gonna unbutton it, but you can see that it has a stripe in there that says Tommy Hilfiger. So I'm probably gonna wear this either open or mostly open, and then I just have an idea for it, y'all. So head over to my Instagram, which is kicks4fresh. I do post all of my fresh fits of the day on that Instagram, and so you don't want to miss out what I plan to do with this shirt. But again, you can't beat it for 80 bucks, and I got it for $9.99. That is a steal and a deal. And the last store that I went to was my old faithful Nike store. We do have a Nike outlet in our St. Louis premium outlets. I did purchase 2 pair of shoes and a couple of shirts. So I wanted to show you all basically what I got from there and kind of run down how much I actually spent on these items. So let me just go ahead and try to get this out. Okay, so now that I actually got everything out of the bag without it all toppling over, you know, I got a really good deal on these items. I did get, like I said, a couple of shirts. So I got 3 pairs of shirts. And basically they were all $11.97. That is not the final price I paid for it, so I will tell you the final price, but they were $11.97 plus an additional discount. So I know my lighting is really bad, but this is kind of like, I don't know what the official color code on this is, but it's kind of like a sea green. I don't know, let me maybe let it. So as you can see, it just says Nike swoosh in the sportswear. This is a really nice shirt to have. It's very soft. Can't beat that for that price. I also got another shirt that basically just says just do it in that script with the little orange box. So that is really nice in an extra large. And then I also got another shirt that kind of gives me more like almost like South Beach vibes, but not really. But I really liked this one too, so I did go ahead and get that logo tee. So like I said, originally these were $11.97. I did get a 10% off discount on everything that I have purchased from Nike, so they actually came up to $10.77 a piece. You really can't beat that. I like to rack up on the Nike shirts as much as possible because I really love Nike and I don't want to keep wearing them and wearing them out. So like I said, I also did buy 2 pair of sneakers, and what you'll learn about me if you don't already know on my channel is I am what you call a thrifty sneakerhead. So yes, you will see, you know, the Jordans and the Yeezys and things like that for $190, $200, but you also are going to see a lot of sneakers that I'm just picking up outlet bound, or things that are like $34, $45, because I'm really trying to build my collection back up. I did have a ton of shoes beforehand, and now I'm just really trying to bring all those sneakers back in that I know and I love. And some of these are newer models that I've never had before. So for the newer models that I've never had the opportunity to purchase, I am going to do a sneaker review on them so that you can know about the comfort and the sizing and things of that nature. So the first sneaker that I want to show you is none other than the Nike React Element 55 SE. I did get these in a size 9.5 men's, which is a 10.5 women's. The suggested retail on these were $130. The tag was $59.97, so that is basically the Nike outlet tag. And then after I got my discount, which was a 30% off as well as a 10% off, these sneakers were like dirt cheap, y'all. Like, let me tell you, these sneakers came up to $37.78. You cannot beat that, right? So I'm actually going to show you what the shoe looks like. Gorgeous, huh? So actually, as you have down here, you have that element technology. Look at that. That's beautiful. It kind of matches my shirt. You see how I did that? Then back here on the back tab, you do have that Nike swoosh as well as that laser green kind of pull tab. I won't do a full review on these, but I do want you all to see it. There is some pops of orange and blue right here on the laces of the sneakers, and so very, very nice sneaker. And then I'll actually show you on the front, there's something that says Nike React here, and then there's like a little pinwheel design with the Nike swooshes here. So you can't beat that under $40. Something that I can you know, run around in and go to the store. These are very, very comfortable. And then the other pair of sneakers that I got were none other than the Air Max 200. The colorway was white, black, and anthracite. They suggested retail on these was $120. They did have the Nike outlet price at $59.97. I did get a size 9, which again is size 9 in men's, 10.5 in women's. So basically, after I took that 30% off as well as that 10% off, y'all, I got these shoes for $37.77. Again, thrifty sneakerhead. So basically, this is what the shoe looks like. I'll show you a quick on feet of the shoe too in a minute, but you do have that black, I think this is more where the anthracite is in that air bubble, just kind of on the toe box. You do have a little bit of black and white, and then on the, you know, medial side of the shoe, you do have the Nike swoosh. You can see the tongue here really quickly. So this is not a bad deal on these sneakers, y'all. I couldn't let them go, y'all. Like, they're just amazing. And there's some anthracite here on the pull tab as well, as you can see. Very nice sneaker. This is something that, again, I can go to the grocery store in, or I can dress up, dress down at any occasion. So just very glad to have these under 40 bucks. So after all those taxes or deductions and things like that, I only paid $118. Yeah, I only paid $118.77 on all of this, so I saved quite a bit of money. So that is all I have for you all today in this Steals and Deals video. If you like this video and you want to see more, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, like this, comment below, share it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And until next time, you already know what to do. Stay fresh.